Hi, Brad again with a video that's part of the series of getting started with WordPress. We're taking a look at the WordPress settings, and the media settings is what we'll discuss today. This is where you can adjust the settings for all your images. So images are a huge part of blogging and a huge part of WordPress, and I'll just show you some simple settings to make it easy to manage all your images. The media settings is just click down here. It's under settings in your WordPress administration panel, and we'll take a look. It's here you can set the default, so every time you upload an image you have a choice of what size you want to use to insert it into your blog post or your website page, and the thumbnail size by default is set here. So by default it's 150 by 150, and you can change that if you're wanting thumbnail sizes that are bigger or smaller. Then you can crop it here automatically, and you can choose a medium and a large size as well. Maximum width 1024 pixels, maybe a bit too wide. Normally the content area of your website pages and posts should be between 500 to 600 pixels. So depending on which theme you have, if you have the option to choose the width of the content area, it's advisable to keep it between 500 to 600 pixels. So you want to change this max size if that's the case. There's a few other settings here. By default, when you upload an image, in the back end of WordPress, it goes to your server and it just gets stored in the folder, which is called WP Content Uploads, and it will be stored in monthly folders. So you'll have January, February, March, April, May, and there will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It'll be numbered for each month. So you'll see that if you down the track, if you have a look on your server using cPanel or FTP. Now there's also some other media settings up here on the left hand side, where you can add images to your library. We'll just click on library and have a quick look at the media settings here. And this is where you can make changes to your images, delete images. This contains all the media images that are uploaded. If you're uploading videos or audio, they'll be included in here as well, and you can just click here and edit them quite easily. So I've got 124 images on this site, and that's pretty straightforward. It's just got some information about what page it's attached to and so on. So we'll just click on add new and we'll take a look. So if you just want to upload some images to your media library and not insert them into posts or pages, you can just click here, click on select files, and just locate an image from anywhere on your desktop or anywhere you like on your local computer, and you can just upload it. So it's really straightforward. You can make changes as well when you upload it. You can crop your images and so on. So what it does is it just crunches it. So takes a bit of time sometimes. So here's the image here, and each image gets a unique file URL or address. So if you ever want to add a link to an image or a link to a video or an audio file, you'll copy this address and just paste it into your blog post or your website page. You can add captions here, and this will be included below the image. You can also add a description as well, and that'll be kept on the attachment page. So if someone clicks on the image and it goes through to an attachment page, it'll just show the image on that page only, plus the description if you put a description in there. Now make sure you put a descriptive title of each image so you can easily find them, and also put some alt text which is descriptive as well. So the search engines don't read images, but they do read the alternate text. So here's the dimensions here. You can click on edit image, and you can crop the image, you can flip it, you can do all sorts of things, change the size of it and so on there if you like. So that's all for images today, and we'll have a look at some of the other settings a bit later on. Cheers.